चलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखते हैं इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट। A for apple, B for ball, C for car, D for dog, E for elephant, F for flag, G for goat, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nurse, O for orange, P for plant, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for window, X for elephant, Y for yo-yo, Z for zero.